Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a fun sort of Valentine's Day / anti-Valentine's Day look, so I hope you guys enjoy. So I'm starting off with my face already done as per usual, so if you want to see what I did, definitely check out my color correcting and foundation routine. But I'm just going to dive right in with my palette. This is the bhCosmetics and Shaaanxo, the remix, and I am in love with this. It's got 18 different shadows and they're all gorgeous. First, I'm taking this dark burgundy shade Vampette on a short eyeshadow brush. This is the Coastal Scents BRCN01, and I'm going to pack this onto my lid, and I'm applying a couple of coats because I want to get it super dark and vampy. Next, I'm taking this dusty rose shade Bestie to kind of blend everything out. I am using a crease brush. This is the bhCosmetics No. 3 Precision Crease Brush, and I'm just kind of blending this out between my lid and under my eyebrow. Now I'm just going to blend everything out with the Sigma Tapered Blending Brush E40, and I love this brush because, as you can see, it does a really good job of smoothing out any harsh lines, and I don't know why I look so angry, but I do. My transition shade is going to be Stalker, so I'm taking that on a pointed crease brush. This is a Sigma Small Tapered Blending Brush E45, and I'm just using that to blend out the two colors. I'm taking this purple shade Lover and sweeping that all the way along my lower lash line using this MUA Crease Brush 315. Wouldn't be Valentine's Day without a little glitter, so I'm using the Stila Glitterati Topcoat in Transcend and applying that into my crease using a little pointed crease brush. This is the Coastal Scents BRCS17, and again I'm just lightly swiping that into my crease. I love the way this looks. And of course, this look wouldn't be complete without a wing. I am using the e.l.f. Expert Liquid Liner in the shade Jet Black to create a soft yet prominent wing. I'm going to prime my lashes with the Lancome CILS Booster. This is my new favorite, and you can see just how long and fluttery it makes my lashes look before mascara. And then for mascara, I'm going to use the Tarte Tarteist Lash Paint. Bit more volume on the outer edges, so I'm using the Ardell Double Up Knot Free Singles with a clear Ardell lash glue, and as you can see, I'm just popping about 3 of those on the outer corner of each of my eyes. To get my brows back under control, I'm using the Maybelline Brow Drama Brow Mascara in the shade Deep Brown and just kind of combing through my brows till I get them the way that I want them. And then for contour, using the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette, using a pretty dark color because I'm very pale and I want to look real contoured today. For blush, I'm using this gorgeous Amazonian Clay Blush by Tarte in the shade Party, and this is just an It Cosmetics blush brush, and I love it. Love the pink tone in this Rosy Glow Candlelit Glow highlighter by Too Faced, so that is what I'm going to be using, and I'm applying that using a Real Techniques setting brush, but I think it works really well for highlighting as well. And then last but not least, for lips, I'm using this Lancome Juicy Lip Shaker in Boom Merengue. It's just kind of a pretty tinted sparkly pink, and I really like it and the formula. So this is the final finished Valentine's Day / anti-Valentine's Day look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I would love to have you here. Definitely plan on seeing more of me soon because I'm coming back, y'all. And have a wonderful day. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting.